May we come in, sir?
Yes, come in.
Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon. Have your seats.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. What's your name?
Sir, my name is Kajal Tiwari.
Kajal Tiwari. And what's your
Sir,
name?
my name is Rahat Khurshid.
Okay, so names are Kajal Tiwari and Rahat Khurshid.
Yes, sir.
Kajal Tiwari, your code is 18A
Yes,
and
sir.
Rahat, your code is 18B.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So at first, Kajal Tiwari, please tell me something about yourself.
So, firstly, I'm very thankful to you, sir, to giving me this golden opportunity to representing myself. My name is Kajal Tiwari. I studied in class 12 in MGM Kaushambi Presidency School. My father name is Mr. Rakesh Kumar Tiwari. My mother name is Mrs. Shobha Tiwari. My father is a army officer. My mother is a housewife, and my parents are my role model. And I want to become a IS officer.
You want to become an IS officer.
Yes.
So ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have to prepare yourself
Yes, sir. Thank
for
you, sir.
achieving that goal. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Very nice. And what's your favorite subject?
So my favorite subject is English, and I
English.
like to read the fictional books as Harry Potter.
Okay. Very nice. Now, Rahat Khurshid, you are going to tell us something about yourself. So introduce yourself.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity to to introduce myself.
Yeah.
I am Rahat Khurshid. I study in class 12th. My father name is Salahuddin. He is teacher. My mother name is Nusrat Khurshid. She is housewife. I love to listen to music and I want to become a doctor. I have two brothers.
Okay. Your aim is to become a doctor.
Yes, sir.
And what's your favorite subjects?
Sir, my favorite subject is English.
Your favorite subject is English, but your aim is to become a doctor.
Yes.
That's very nice. Now let's move our next task, that is a topic presentation. So at first, Kajal Tiwari, you are going to tell us about your topic, and Rahat, when she will finish her topic, you will ask some questions, okay? And also I will ask some more questions. So are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
So let's begin your topic.
So firstly, I'm very glad to representing this topic,
Yeah.
and my topic is girl education. As we know that the education is essential for everyone as well as every individual, because with the help of the education, we will protect our rights as well as we will introduce ourselves. An educated country is a country where every single individual is educated, whether a boy or a girl. But when our society is educated, then the girl is educated.
Yeah.
So for the education of the girl, we must have a girl education. Then the girl is a potential edge to make our society, and she transmit their skills, knowledge to the next generation, and our next generation become a IQ-full, knowledgeful, and powerful generation, and our country, society, more better society. That's it, sir.
Okay, very nice. Would you like to ask questions,
Yes,
Rahat?
sir. So, Kajal, can you tell me, please, in which year the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao program was launched and by whom?
The Beti Padhao and Beti Bachao program was launched on 22 January 2015 by Mr. Narendra Modi.
Okay. So, Kajal, in our state, these programs can be followed by peoples or not?
No, generally the people have a small thinking and cheap thinking that the girl is made only for the working at the homes, not for education and not for working the outside.
Okay, Kajal, why is it important to educate the girl side?
So for developing the country, when the girl is educated, then our country and society
Yeah.
developed.
Okay. For the better future.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is your turn. Rahat, you are going to tell us about your topic. When
Okay, sir.
Rahat will finish her topic, Kajal, you will ask some questions.
Yes, sir, sure,
And
sir.
also I will ask some more questions.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So,
So
would you like
first,
to begin?
today
your-
I am feeling privileged and thankful for giving me this opportunity to tell about the importance of dress code. So, one of particular type of a group united for the same purpose should wear the same type of a cloth, that is called uniform. The concept of a uniform is the most visible element for any school regardless of caste, complexion, social issues, etc. Uniform is a unique idea for any schools because it's helped students not to divert their attention toward fashionable clothes. If uniform were non-existent, then many students might be victimized by other students due to their expensive clothes.
Yeah.
Attention naturally goes on the people's clothes instead of their schoolwork, which is
Yeah.
what school is all about. Uniform is the only source to avoid these fashion parade from school. And when students wear our clothes of their choices on their birthdays, even sometimes objectionable attire is observed. So
Yeah, yeah.
uniform is the only source to avoid these objectionable attire regularly. Thank you.
Okay, very nice. And Kajal, would you like to ask questions?
Yes, sir, sure. So, Rahat, tell me, is it really possible to implement the dress code in schools or college?
Yes, I firmly believe that to implement a dress code everywhere, such as school and colleges, because rules should be like an army. For this, learners will learn not only the uniformity but also the sense of discipline if they are morally inspired.
Yeah.
Uh, how can you say that the dress code is important?
Yes, I can say that a dress code is important because it generates the feelings of equality and the feelings of responsibility to the student's mind. Students concentrate more on their studies less than on their wardrobe.
Okay. As a student,
Yes.
can you tell me something more importance of dress code in schools?
Yes, sir. I think there's a many advantages and importance of a dress codes in schools and colleges. At first, I can tell to the Kajal that is it's generate the feeling of responsibility and the feeling of equality, and
Yeah.
also uniformity is the sense of discipline and
Just like a soldier,
yes, sir.
policeman,
Yes, sir.
teacher.
Yes.
Huh? Okay. Feeling of duty,
Yes, sir.
determination,
Feeling of
dedication, responsibility.
Yes,
Very
sir.
nice. Let's move our next task, that is a problem solving assessment. In this task, I am going to provide you an information. So both of you discuss about that problem, and you have Kajal and Rahat. You read the information and discuss each other.
Your friend has a hearing disability. She is tearing by her
his
classmate and
is
hurt and annoyed by their behavior. You feel that the matter has been addressed before becoming serious and affected her deeply.
Discuss with
Yes,
the
sir. So I thinking that we will discuss about this by principal and the teachers.
Yes, it is very important because my friend, our friend is a hearing disability. So this type of a people is having a less motivations and lack of a motivation. So it is very important. Otherwise, in future, it become a very serious condition.
Yes, by this she is in depression.
Depression.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
So I am firstly address this by the teachers and the principal. I am suggest they that if what the matter will be serious, so take a strong step to maintain all these in class.
Okay.
Are you agree with the statement
Yes,
of
sir, I
Kajal?
agree with.
Okay. As a friend, suppose that you are the classmates. So which kind of suggestion you can give to his parents, his or her parents?
Sir, according to me, at first I will take my friend to be a good counselor and
Yeah.
also suggest it to their parents.
Yeah. Also, you should talk to teacher.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I will
principal.
address firstly at first I will address my teacher and
Yeah.
principal because those students are so naughty. So there is a no benefit to teach them. So I will definitely address my teacher and tell her about the whole situation and whole
Okay.
matter.
Very nice. Both of you have done your task very well. Thank you
you,
very
sir.
much. And
you, sir.
now you may go now.
Oh, thank you, sir.